Good afternoon, my friends. I'm back at this sander because my OCD don't want to leave me. It bothers me. Why can it just run the one the at once and open it and close it, and it don't want to run? And I work now 2 days on and off, and I eventually find the fault. And the fault was, where I find the fault is, this is one of the coils, or the only coil, and it was dead between that port and that port. And because everything, you can see I've stripped now, even take this off the switch, and I've tested everything. The wire, all the power is here. It go through when it is pressed in. It goes through to the respective places. But I found one problem. It is as if this brush is dead, and then I trace it all the way back to the coil, and I check out what is going on, and I'll show you the problem. Can you see that mess there? When I closed it the first time, I struggled with to get it back together, and that part rubbed against that wires there, and one wire broke off. I'm going to try and zoom now in for you. So I've got it now. I've seen that, and I look for the two wires, and I've seen that, and I bring them just together. I'm not sure if I will be able to solder them, but I'm going to put you up. I want to let you focus there, and it will now run for sure, and we're going to test it. I just want to show you that specific place. Okay, there you can see just at the plastic cover. I just want to show you, but I don't want to lose the focus. I'm talking about there. There's the two wires off, or one wire is off, and I managed to bring the 2 points together. So now there is resistance through the coil, and it will definitely run, but it is so thin there. I'm not sure if I will be able to Okay guys, it is now the next day again, and what I've done is, after that drop, I tried to bring that two wires close together, and I've messed it up further before I could solder it. And then what I've done is, I took some aluminium tape, you know, this kind of tape, and I've taken a piece of that, and with the back side I put some of that tape over the wires, but the back side, not the sticky type or side, and then I put isolation tape on it to connect to the 2 points, and then secure it further with isolation tape. And then I manage, if I just press a little bit on it, there is continuity between the coils, or to the wires. So I built it up further, because you can see this section that now will fit over will press on this a little bit, and then it make contact. So I'm going to demonstrate it now to you, how my plan work. I'm going to set you up here. Okay guys, watch me now. Here's my probes, there's the meter, I'm putting it now on the two sides of that coil, and you see there's no resistance whatsoever. But my plan is, as soon as I put the top side on, it will press against that part there where my middle finger is, and watch, I just touch it and then it make contact. So this is my old plan. So if you can look, there is absolutely no space. That this part that will come up must just press a little bit on that and it will make contact. I might put a little bit more tape on just to bolt it up, and then we're going to test it. So that's the only solution I could get to get this machine running again. My OCD was just bothers me. I need to get it go, or at least find the problem. But now I have maybe a solution, even if it is just to get the satisfaction of it and not leave the machine unrunning. Okay, so I'm going to bolt it up a little bit again, put it back together, and bring you back when we test it. Okay guys, I've secured it with two screws. You can see there, 1 and 2. There is more to fix, but let's test it. 1, 2, 3. Ai, tai, tai. At last it run, guys. Okay, that is now, I'm not sure how long will it run, but at least there you can see my fix. It works. Now I'm happy chappy. I will put everything back together and see if all this stuff that is a total disaster, see if I can manage to get it back together without stripping it again, and I'll do a final test with you. Okay guys, so this was a big surprise and I'm very glad. Okay, I'll bring you back a little later. Okay guys, it's all back into one piece again, and I give it just a clean up. That was what one of the intentions was in the beginning. So let me clean it up a bit, and we can finally test it. Okay my friends, after many days of struggling and stress and OCD stuff, and it is a little bit better looking machine now. Everything works again. There's springs for the sanding paper, and let's test it. Did you hear that kind of a struggle to pick up refs? That is what I talked in the beginning. So it's still there, but it's fine guys. At least it can now be a show item in the workshop. It must be replaced because it's definitely not good enough anymore, but at least it is clean and in one piece, or sort of clean. Righto, so now it's the end of this project guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye.